How to fix iPhone messages not delivering. So the first thing that you need to check is your internet connection or your network connection. If you are using your cellular data, make sure you have a good tower connection. Or if you're using Wi-Fi, make sure that it's working. So you can simply scroll down through your control panel and then tap on your airplane mode, turn it on, wait for a few seconds, and then again tap on it and turn it off. This will help you reset your network. See if your messages are being delivered. If it's not working, then try to check if there are any kind of carrier update. For that, go to your settings, and then from your settings, tap on cellular, and then from here, scroll down. And if there are any kind of update requirement, you will see a pop-up saying update. All you need to do is tap on it and update your carrier. So if you are using a physical SIM, then try to take out your physical SIM and reinsert it and see if that helps. If all of that did not help, then we'll need to get to our messages settings. For that, scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. And then from here, you'll need to search for messages. Here you can see messages application right here. Tap on it and open its settings. And then from here, scroll down and you can see iMessages right here. You can see it is turned on. If it is turned off on yours, make sure that it is turned on just like this. And if it is turned on, then tap on it, turn it off, wait for a few seconds, and again tap on it and turn it back on. And after that, see if your messages are being delivered or not. So another thing that might be the issue right here is the contact that you are trying to send has been in your block list. So in order to check that, what you're going to do is scroll down from this settings and you will see the option of blocked contacts right here. Tap on it. All you need to do is tap on that contact, and then from here scroll down and simply tap on unblock contact, and like that you can simply unblock them. So if doing all of these still did not work, then try to restart your phone. For that, what you're going to do is quickly press on your volume up button, volume down button, and then quickly keep pressing on your power on button until you see Apple logo. Then release the button, wait for a few minutes, and like that, you'll be able to restart your iPhone. So even the restart is not working, then try to see your date and time. For that, what you're going to do is get to your settings again. And then from your settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Then from General, what you're going to do is scroll down until you see date and time. Tap on it and make sure that Set Automatically is turned on just like this. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then try to update your software. For that, again, get to your general settings in here and then tap on software update. If there are any kind of update requirement, it will show up right here. All you need to do is go according to the process and update your software. So even after doing all of these, if it's still not working, then try to check your Apple system status. Sometimes the Apple status might be down. For that, what you're going to do is go to any kind of browser. I'm going to go to my Safari. And on your browser, what you're going to do is simply type down Apple system status. After typing that, simply search for it and you can see this is the exact link that we need to go. Simply tap on it. And then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on this option, and in here you can see these are all of the Apple status. And in here we need to find iMessages. You can see iMessages, currently it is available. If it shows unavailable, you need to know that the Apple itself has issues with iMessage currently. All you need to do is wait for a couple of hours and I'm pretty sure that Apple will fix it. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.